2018 Mustang GT 5.0. This baby has about 460 horsepower. Guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about this wrap. I'll show you in a sec. All right, let's see what she's got. Customer came in, wanted to straight pipe her. The cats are still on there, factory cats. Over here is where the big ass resonator was. We took that off, replaced it with 2 sticks of pipe. Where's that resonator, DJ? This thing. And the customer also wanted to replace the 2 mufflers in the back with just 2 sticks of pipe. So what we did was we chopped it off. We have it right here. Ugh. Again, like I always say, maybe if you guys own this car, you want to bring the mufflers home with you. If you're leasing it, you have to bring back the car all stock and stuff to the dealership. Like, hey, I didn't do anything with the car. I wasn't doing burnouts. I wasn't doing this. I wasn't doing that, whatever. You just come back to the exhaust shop closest near you and you get them put back on. So, and he also has quad matte black tips. They look pretty good. So we're gonna bring it down and see how she sounds. All right, we took it off the lift. It's all done. Guys, hit that thumbs up button. And if you can subscribe, that'd be awesome. Hit it, DJ.